What's up, everybody? Welcome back to LeJeune Outdoors. Today I got something a little different for you. I'm going to do a little unboxing video, some stuff I got for trout fishing, steelhead and stuff. And then I'm going to do a little bit of a tutorial on how I rig up my stuff for my floats for steelhead and trout. I haven't been real good about showing that, so I'm going to show a little bit of that. I'll get right into it here. This is my first thing I ordered. This is some more jigs, some more of the gaping woolly bugger style jigs. These things work so good. And I got a bunch of different colors. All different colors. All the same size, 1/16 ounce. I'll show you what they look like. This is my jig box. And that's what they look like. Just like a little woolly bugger. I ordered some more of those. They've been doing really good. I ordered 4 orange. I ordered, they only had 2 of the green. Ordered 2 green. I ordered 4 blue. I ordered 4 yellows. I ordered some 2 tan, 4 pink, 4 white, and 4 brown. So if you guys haven't tried those, you gotta try them. They work great. Another thing I'm really excited about is I ordered a new set of mufflers, which the reason why I did, and I ordered these, I ended up finding these on it was I can't think of the name, Etsy. I've been looking for these boots for a while. I'll show you why. They're very hard to find because they discontinued them, but packaged it well. The reason why I'm so excited about them is because of the capability of them. So there they are. But the reason why I'm so excited, these fold out, open up, and this folds, and there's a waiter under here. So you got, not only you got muck boots, but now you got waders also. I don't know why they discontinued these, because these are going to be awesome. Because I don't wear waders a lot, but I wear muck boots a lot. And it's going to be easy to get them out of stuff. Then if I don't want them to be that tall, I can just roll them down. Roll them up. Snap them back on. Which is going to be awesome. I wish they still made these, but they don't. It took me a long time to find them. I seen them years ago, didn't buy them. I regretted it. I looked forever, found them. A guy had a pair on Etsy that were brand new, so I ended up getting a set. So those are going to come in handy real soon. And we'll get right into this tutorial on how to set up these rigs that I do. And that's just a steelhead float. There's all kinds of different kinds. This is just a thill one. You can get these at Dick's and Sporting Goods and everything. And then here's an addicted one. And these are really good. I'll show you how. And then they have these clear ones, and they all work pretty much the same. But I like to use these if the water's real muddy or something, or if it's real fast, because they hold the bait up better and stuff. And then if it's real clear and slow and stuff, then I'll switch to these clear ones. So get right into it. And this is just 10-pound fluorocarbon, just to show the video. But And on these addicted ones or these still ones, they come with these rubber grommets. Just take these rubber grommets. And you just slide one on. On this addicted float, you got this little hole, and you slide your line through this little hole. Just like that. Then you put your one on, wet it. Then put your other one on. That's all you do to rig it up. It's ready to go, and it'll slide on the line, so you can adjust your depth all the time. Then, with our Steelhead a lot of times, well, that's what I've been using, but it's worked really good. One of those gapings, jigs, you just tie it on. Whatever knot you like. Cinch down. So then you have your bobber down to your jig. And that's pretty much all I've been using for steelhead or trout. And that's what's nice about this jig, is you can use it for steelhead or trout. It's perfect size. And I've caught a ton of stuff on this. Another thing, I've learned a lot of stuff from Addicted Fishing. If you haven't checked out their channel, go check it out, because I've learned so much about this float fishing from them. They got a lot more in-depth tutorials on it, show you what to do, how to set it up, different ways. So if you haven't already, go check them out, because they have awesome videos. And that's Addicted Fishing. And here's some of their jigs, and I've used them with really good results. And then this is my little jig box. I just put all my different jigs in there. That way I could find them easy. I got some addicted ones. Some of these ones I just found at the local bait shop. More addicted ones. And then these are all like gapings jigs. And that's what I set up for steelhead. And I'll show you my setup for trout. That's my little float box for steelhead. That way I have all my different stuff ready to go. And here's my trout float box. What I've been using, which sometimes I use the jigs, sometimes I use the floats. I usually use these clear floats for the trout, but if it's fast moving and stuff on days that it's rougher, I'll use this little steelhead float. Just a smaller version that's 3/4 ounce. And Addicted Fishing just come out with some. I haven't gotten any of those yet, but they just come out like 2 days ago. So those are gonna be good. And then for the trout, a lot of times I use this clear float, so they come with these little piece of rubber also. You just take one, slide it on. They don't have the holes through it, so you just take it, slide it on. Wet it a little bit, slide it down on. They do have a little hole in the bobber, that way your bobber doesn't fall off. If it does, if the rubber comes off, so you slide it down through this little hole, pull it through, and then you put your second piece of rubber on. Slide it on. Same thing, you could adjust your bobber as you go. Then what I've been using, just a little, this is a Mad River worm here, and this is just a trout magnet jig head, a little 1/32 ounce. That's what I've been using. It's been working really good. You just tie that on. And if I'm not using this, I'm usually using one of those Gaping's jigs, because they work really excellent for trout as well. Tie this on. So then you'll have your float down to your little worm setup. It works really good. And you could, nice part is, a lot of these worms are really cheap, so you could get a variety of colors. That way you can keep changing out to try different stuff. These ones here are all trout magnet ones, and I think they're like $1.49 for a pack. And then here's some Mad River ones. These ones are probably $3 a pack or something. They all work really good in different situations, so I like to keep a variety. And then here's just my spinner box. I keep all my spinners for trout. A lot of rooster tails, which is my favorite. I love to use the green or chartreuse, yellow. Got a bunch of different ones, different brands. And I got my other ones, Panther Martins, Vibrax, Meps, some white spinners, a bunch of different stuff. I just like to keep a variety. But that's about it for today. Hope you guys liked it, liked the video. Make sure you go check out Addicted Fishing if you haven't, because they do in-depth on all this stuff. It'll really help a lot. It's helped me a lot, especially with this float fishing, because I didn't know that much about it till I got onto their channel. It's helped tremendously. Well, that's about it for today. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We'll catch you on the next one.